Subhanallah wa bihamdihi, Subhanallahil Azim.
Dear brothers and sisters, this is the month of Ramadan. We talked about the benefits of fasting for the spiritual aspect, for the character-wise, and all the different aspects. Now, I would like to discuss from the medical aspect, what are the benefits to our body. Fasting cleans our liver. It improves our immune system. Many people have cholesterol problem. If they fast, cholesterol is reduced. Lot of people have triglyceride problems. Fasting will reduce your triglyceride. Now, many people, they have toxic material in their body and they take a lot of medicines and lot of treatment. What's the best medicine for you is to fast during the month of Ramadan, and even during the year on Monday and Thursday, it will clean your toxins from your body. Not only that, many ladies want a freshness and shine of their skin. Fasting is the solution. Fasting will give you the freshness and shining of your skin. Last but not the least, fasting has no harmful, no side effect of any medicine than the fasting. Fasting is the best medicine for your body.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi